Good afternoon. Let us start with today's session. So let us go for the second method. And second method, the name of the method is row minimum. So again, you will be understanding. हमको कहाँ allot करना पड़ेगा पहले? Where the allotment will be there? First allotment कहाँ रहेगा? जहाँ पे रो में minimum number होगा, there will be allotment. Okay, let us start with that. So I have taken the same question again. So first step is checking. We have already checked this. There's this 150 supply is equal to demand. Now let us go for the row minimum method. So let us go row wise. देखो row minimum बोला है, सबसे पहले first row में देखना है आपको. In first row, which is the minimum number?
1.
1. So the first allotment will be done here. देखो in north west corner rule हमने कहाँ allot किए थे? यहाँ allot किए थे 6 पे. But as per row minimum method, we should allot in first row the minimum number. So this is the minimum number 1. And how much to allot? The supply is 50, demand is 35. So how much to allot here?
35.
35. So those who don't understand the logic, I have given you the hint. The minimum of the two will be allotted. So here I will write 35. And now, before forgetting, the counter changes, you don't have to move forward. So make the counter changes first. So once this is 35 here, how much this will become? This 50 will become how much?
15.
This 50 will become 15. And what about this 35?
0.
This 35 will become 0. So I will make the counter effects 15 and this will become 0. And because this has become 0, this column will be now cancelled. Okay? Understood this step?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now again go for row minimum. Now tell me what is the row minimum now? Where to allocate?
4.
4. Simple. देखो फर्स्ट रो से ही हमेशा स्टार्ट करना है, तो फर्स्ट रो भी बची भी हमारे पास, ये 6 और 4 बचा हुआ है, और इन दोनों में से मिनिमम, द मिनिमम फ्रॉम दिस टू इज 4. सो नेक्स्ट अलॉटमेंट विल बी हियर. एंड हाउ मच इट विल बी अलॉटेड? सप्लाई इज 15, डिमांड इज 95.
15.
Okay, so 15 is allotted here. Counter effects, before that don't move forward. So 15, this 95 will become 80 and this 15 will become 0. So when it becomes 0, okay, this 15 has cancelled and becomes 0. And because it has become 0, I have cancelled out this entire row. Now tell me what or where will be the next allotment?
3. B
Next
row.
allotment will be at 3 because now the top row is B. पहली रो तो कैंसिल हो गई तो उसको हम कंसीडर में नहीं करेंगे. Now the top row is B and in this B the minimum number is 3. So next allotment will be done here at this particular location. And how much allotment will be there? 20 is demand, supply is 40. So how much should I allocate?
20.
20.
Okay. So 20 is here. So 20 counter effects. This 40 will become 20 and this 20 will become 0. And because it has become 0, this is now will be column will be cancelled. Now this two row remains 8 and 4. Now where to allocate? 8 or 4?
8.
Yes. So students make the mistake here only. They see 8 and 4, they see the minimum number 4 here and they allocate here. But it is not like that. You have to go row wise. Because this row is available now. We have to check on this row here. ये बचा है तो हमको इसी को allocate करना है. 20 and 80, how much to allocate?
20.
20. Okay, so 20 is allocated here. Counter effects, this 20 will become 0 and this 80 will become 60. And because this row has become 0 now, this row will be cancelled. So now only one thing remains, this is 4. And you can see you have balanced it. Supply is also 60,
Yes,
demand is also 60. So here the allocation will be 60 and everything has been gone. So 60 gone,
Sir.
and all the supply and demand are fulfilled. So after balancing, now we need the minimum transportation cost. So it's very simple. Here we have allotted 15 and one unit cost was, transportation cost was 15. So I will write 15 into 4. Similarly, here I will write 20 into 3. Here I will write 60 into 4. And here I will write 20 into 8. And here I will write 35 into 1. So just sum all this and you will get the total transportation cost. So here I have written everything and I am getting the answer C. I am getting answer as 555. पहले कितना आ रहा था? 730. देखो 200 रुपए का डिफरेंस आ गया खाली मेथड चेंज करने पे. Now also I cannot tell that this is the minimum one. हो सकता है इससे भी कम होता होगा. I cannot tell that this is the optimum technique. So let us go to the next method, that is the column minimum method. First step to check whether supply and demand are equal. So yes, it is equal. We have already checked. Then now we have to go for column wise. That means first we have to see first column, and in first column what is minimum. So can you tell me where should I allot first?
3.
Yes, the first allotment will be done at 3 because it is in first column and it is the minimum number. And here it will be allotted, and how much will be allotted? From 20 and 40. The minimum number is 20, hence 20 will be allotted here. Now make the counter effects. This 20 will become 0 and this 40 will become 20. And because it has become 0, now this will be cancelled. ये 0 बन गया, that's why it will be cancelled. Now first column has been cancelled. तो अब मेरा first column क्या हो जाएगा? My first column will now be E. Now from E, the minimum you have to check.
On row C.
हाँ देखो अब थोड़ा सा पॉइंट आ गया देखने वाला. Now you can observe. See now this understand this point. Now the minimum is 4. This is also minimum. This is also minimum. Okay. So there are two minimums in the row. So where to allocate? So as per rule, or as per you can say thumb rule. Not you can say thumb rule. You can allot anywhere actually. But what I suggest will be, or what it is suggested that at which place you can allot more, allot there first. So देखो अब मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूँ वो दिखाता. Let us assume that I will be allocating here. So how much I can allocate out of 50 and 95? How much will be allocated here?
50.
50. तो अगर मैं यहाँ पर allocate करना चाहूंगा, so I can allocate only 50. समझना है यहाँ पर ये पार्ट?
Yes, sir.
But अगर मैं यहाँ पर allocate करने का सोचूंगा, if I try to allocate here, how much unit I can allocate? 60. So here I can allocate only 50, but here I can allocate 60. So as a rule, we have to go by this. The place where we can go for higher allotment, that should be selected. Understood this part? So agar, now I will give you a rule. If there is a tie in the transportation cost, now I will give you one rule. If there is a tie in the transportation cost, you need to check at which place you can allot maximum. That should be your allotment. Understood?
हाँ sir, समझा sir.
Okay, so I will now erase this part because I have now discussed that we will not allocate here. We will allocate at this particular point, this 4, because there we can allot more. So that's why I will allocate 60 here. So this 60 will be vanished out and this will become 35. And because it has vanished out, becomes 0, I have cancelled out this particular row. Now tell me where I should allocate. Now the column, which column we should allocate first? हमारा कॉलम कौन सा अभी ई है, फर्स्ट कॉलम हमारा ई है और उसके अंदर मिनिमम. सो वेयर शुड आई अलोकेट?
4.
4. सिंपल है, एक ही तो मिनिमम है, यहाँ पर ही अलोकेट करना है. एंड हाउ मच टू अलोकेट? हियर इट इज 35, हियर इट इज 50. सो हाउ मच विल बी अलोकेटेड हियर? 35 will be allocated. So I will write 35 here. Counter effects. This 35 will become 0. So I will write here 0, and this 50 will become 15. And because it has become 0, this column will be now cancelled out. Okay. So अब ये column भी चले गया. Now only column remain is F. And in that, what is minimum?
1.
1. So I will allocate there. So allocation will be 15 and 35. So 15 will be allocated. And once 15 is allocated, this will become 0. This will become 0. And this will become 20. So this will be cancelled out now. Now you can see we have reached to the balanced one. Here it is 20. Here also it is 20 and only 1 is remaining. So here it will be 20 and rest of the things will be going off. And finally, if I find the transportation cost, I will get 20 into 3. Here I will get 60 into 4 and so on. And finally, I will get answer as 595. Okay, so the thing which you have learned in this one, the new thing which we have learned in this from this particular method is, or from this particular case is, when there is a tie in the cost, when there is a tie in the cost, to be specific, there is a tie in the transportation cost, we need to check where we can allot maximum. Any doubts now in this particular method, column minimum method?
No, sir.